Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to change language on Snapchat app. So let's start. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Then tap on your profile icon. So at your right hand side top corner, you can see the gear icon. So tap on that gear icon. So you will be redirected to this page which contains settings. Now go to the My Account section and tap on language. So these are the list of languages which are supported by Snapchat app. So you can select the language as per your choice. Snapchat supports the languages such as English, Arabic, Chinese, Danish, Dutch, French, German. In my case, I am selecting this one, Hindi. So tap on the language. So it will give you the notification. App will restart with your new language settings. So tap on change. And here you can see the language is changed in Snapchat app. So in this way, we can change language on Snapchat app. That's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.